and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. So today I decided I'm going to reorganize this box of tools that I normally take away with me when I work away from home, but they don't really have a specific home in my workshop. So I decided I'm going to use this Bosch L-Boxx 136, part of their stackable range, to organize the tools into. It will make a handy to-go box, but it will also make for some neat storage in the workshop. So it's completely empty inside, so I've approached the guys over at Shadow Foam and purchased these 50mm medium pack sheets, pack of 3, and then they kindly sent me this box of goodies. So we will have a look at this and go from there. So let me just move this out of the way and then move this box over. So take the sleeve off, and inside, so this is fine, just a little magnetic clip there. Open it up. So telling you about Shadow Foam, how to cut it, and what sizes it comes in. So inside we've got a little beanie hat, so for the winter months approaching that would be quite good. They're pro cutting kits, so that includes the scalpel handle, 25 blades, anti-cut gloves, foam smoothing spinners, which I haven't used yet, so it'd be interesting to try those. Foam repair glue, forceps, an 18mm snap-off blade knife, cutting instructions, and a sticker sheet as well, so in there. And then they've sent me the hot foam smoother as well. And then there's some more blades there. There's another small piece of Shadow Foam, just part of a sample pack. And that's quite handy. Mouse mat. So that will work quite well in the office. I've then also got some more stickers there and a little Foamex board. So that will have to go up in the workshop somewhere. But yeah, we'll see. Right, let me just pop those back in because I don't need all of that out. So firstly, I think we need to get this box. So inside, that's what it looks like. So you've got these 2 shoulders coming in here. So we're going to have to look at cutting around that. Now, probably the easiest way is turn it on its end. And what you've got is the edges here that should hopefully line up perfectly. So I earlier created a template or just a big sheet of paper will go across. Slightly larger than A3, so a few A4s stuck together worked quite well.
You got me feeling like a firebolt high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm. Here we go, go. You're easy to remember, so hard to forget. Baby, it's a coward way you strut. How could
I could have bought the foam insert specifically cut for the L-Boxx system. However, I did want a bigger sheet so that I could do some other projects with them as well around the house. Right, so let's see if this works. There's a slight slope, but that's not an issue. So what we'll do, just mark this up with the extra bit of paper. Oh, that's pretty close, but no cigar that way. So let's go this way around. So a very sharp blade, so I need to be careful with that.
your feet have touched, baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely, you make my eyes unsee. All the crazy, you make my heart believe there's only one of you, baby. Run away with me, don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy, you make my heart believe.
need something to cut on. How about the back of my sticker board?
Clouds on the freeway. Now tell me you'll stay. Gonna now and last someday. Here we go. Rose bed, fancy hotels, girl, you know. Baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All crazy. You make my heart believe. There's only one of you, baby. Run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my
Let's see what sort of fit I've got. Nice and tight. So obviously a few little bits, but overall fits in nicely. Oh, no, I'm not going to get it out. Go. What I can do, oops, is just slice away a bit of an angle there. Obviously very precise. Right, now to start thinking about the layout.
see. All the crazy. You make my heart believe. And we'll stay in bed all day. Make love in every way. Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy.
So I've got tape measure, obviously old Dove Men Care gift box that I got that's now got the charger in it. This is a marksman, like a chalk marker that you can use for holes. I'm not sure if I want to put it in there or if I just need to keep it separately for now until I this, to be fair, that can fit in with the charger there. So just keep it nice and neat. But that will be quite handy. And if I start cutting the drill out, the scalpel, and then it's just a question of moving along.
You make my heart believe. Oh, baby, run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe.
So now that should have given me some lines to work along.
You make my heart believe. Run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe.
Right. So we start just peeling the top layer away. Should be a good indication of the shape we've got.
regular days would turn into never-ending weekends, no ordinary way. No, see you when it comes low. You plus me up, ripple effect, one dreaming architect. Hey, what do you say? Give me pinkles, give me certain carousels, bring me the horizon, babe, I'm under your spell. Don't hold back on nothing. I want everything more. I wanna adore you. I wanna adore you. I want everything more. I want everything more. I got something for you. I got something for you.
Well, there you go. Everything is in its place. Took me about 2 hours to do this, but maybe with time it will speed up. But I'm happy with the layout, so let's get it in the box. There you go, everything in. So, good. And I could go on my merry way. So obviously with it all in there, I can just take what I need from here. And this one is a little bit tight there, but can get it out, can get what I need to, and then that slides back quite easily. Yeah. So obviously the bit's a bit rough. I may use this foam smoother a bit later just to clean that up, but for now I'll leave it as it is. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and please leave me a comment down below. Anyway, take care and I hope to see you next time.